Hello everyone, it's Victoria from Tempe Public Library saying hello again, and today I will be showing you how to create and decode your own Scytale cipher. So if you like secret codes or messages, you're in the right spot, so stay tuned. So to create your own Scytale, you'll need a pencil or a marker. I'm going to use a Sharpie, scissors, tape, strips of paper, and something that is a cylinder. So I'm going to use a paper towel tube today, but you can use a soda can or anything else that is shaped like a cylinder, or even a pen or a pencil if you would like to work on a smaller scale. So I've already cut and taped together my strips of paper. They are going to wrap around the cylinder that I'll be using, so they're going to wrap around the paper towel tube. I've measured them out and cut them, like I mentioned, and that you can see. So mine are about 1 inch by maybe a little longer than 50 inches altogether. So I just use regular computer paper. So the first step you're going to want to do is go ahead and take your strip of paper and tape it to one end of your paper towel tube. And then you'll take your paper and you will start wrapping it around your tube like a candy cane. And the most important part here is you just want to make sure that your paper does not overlap. So you want it to be nice and even down your paper towel tube. Great. And then you'll tape the other end in place. Okay, so now your tube is wrapped. And then it's up to you if you would like to do one letter on each strip, or you can do 2 letters, however many will fit. So you'll go ahead and you'll write your message on the strip. I'm going to do 1 letter per stripe. And then after you have your message, you'll go ahead and write your decoy letters in the other spaces. Okay, then when you're ready to give it to somebody to decode, you'll unwrap it from your cylinder. And then this is what your message will look like. it's decoded here, or waiting to be decoded. So this might be a really fun way to add something to your escape room if you are doing a fun at-home escape room with your family or in a party. It might also be fun to do for a scavenger hunt or something fun like that. I have one that's ready to be decoded here, so we can see what this one says on our paper towel too. So I'm ready to decode, and I'll tape one end, and then I'll wrap it around just like I did, and then we're gonna see what our secret message says. So a fun trivia fact with Scytale ciphers is that these were used in ancient Greece, and they were used during war times to send messages back and forth to each other. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Reading is fun. All right, guys, now you know how to create your own Scytale cipher. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you have fun around the house finding different cylinders to write your messages on, and maybe even sending them back and forth to your brothers and sisters or even neighbors. Have fun, guys. See you next time. Bye.